Chepal. Again, chepal. This is used to say please when you are pleading or begging. Again, chepal means please. Next word is himne. Again, it's himne. This is used to say cheer up in an informal manner. Again, himne means cheer up. Next word is chada. Again, it's chada. This is a verb which means to sleep. Again, chada means to sleep. Next word is namcha. Again, namcha. This is a Korean noun which means man. Again, namcha means man. Next word is yocha. Again, it's yocha. This is a Korean term for woman. Again, yocha means woman. Next word is sada. Again, sada. And this is a Korean verb which means to buy. Again, sada means to buy. Next word is uyu. Again, it's uyu. And this is the Korean term for milk. Again, uyu means milk. Next word is uri. Again, uri. And this is used to say we or our in Korean. Again, uri means we or our. Next word is chalchayo. Again, chalchayo. This is used to say sleep well or good night. Again, chalchayo means sleep well or good night. Next word is apayo. Again, apayo. And this is used to say it hurts or I'm sick. Again, apayo means it hurts.